So don't look at the mess behind me. Look at what's in front of you. Finally, I know this is overdue. How to grow the hair.
I get a lot of DMs.
To make it very simple, I'm gonna tell you what I have been doing to grow my hair. The number one way I've been growing my hair is incorporating more water into my regimen. Water, water,
Water, water, water.
water is my homie. Water is my soulmate. Water is my man. Water is my side piece. Water is my teacher. Water is everything for me. And I'm not just talking about drinking water, because we're all supposed to be drinking water. I drink about 10 to 12 cups minimum every single day. The main way I've been using water in my hair is when it's wash day. I hop into that shower. I let my hair soak all that water up, at least for a good 5 minutes. I'm always parting my hair down the middle. I work each section for a good, I'm in the shower for a long time, so I would say I would spend at least 3 minutes on each side, just finger detangling gently and just taking out any tangles and just working the water through my hair. You guys can go ahead and check out my how to finesse video. That is a key regimen for me, what I do every 5 to 7 days. Feeding my hair water, that is key for me. That is the main thing that I've been doing since January, and it has worked wonders for me. Another way too is doing water infused liquids. Does that make sense? Water infused ingredients. I think that makes sense. Water infused ingredients or spritzes or sprays. Another way I get my hair to grow is having a clean scalp. A clean scalp is super, super important. Whether you have thick ass hair, normal hair, medium density, or low porosity, it does not matter. A key to healthy hair and to promote and to retain growth is to have a clean scalp. I don't shampoo on the regular, but yet I still have a clean scalp. You don't always have to shampoo to think your hair has to be squeaky clean. It's just what you do to your scalp that's going to keep it clean. I do the minimal. I don't add a whole bunch of junk in my scalp. I don't apply a whole bunch of product to my scalp. The most things I do to my scalp, especially for suffering from, let's say, dandruff or an oily scalp, some people think they have to shampoo or use oils to help them, and that is not the case. Water will help you. You know, you can use rose water, aloe vera juice. I love, like I said, there's apple cider vinegar. There's so many liquids out there, and you can infuse that and add it with water that will help you to maintain a healthy scalp. So a healthy scalp meaning do not put a whole bunch of junk on your scalp because it's not needed. Another thing for me, a big thing for me, is doing scalp massages. If you guys follow me on Instagram and watch my Insta stories, you guys know I'm all about scalp massages. So scalp massage on a regular. You don't have to do it every night. Do it every other night. But me, I personally think me doing it every night is key for me to promote my hair growth. Another way, having my hair stress-free is key for me. I am very simple. If you guys take a look at my Instagram, I don't do all those styles that people use with elastic bands and they're twisting or they're braiding and they're doing all this up and down and
Like, shit. I'm like, damn, bitch. Like, I cannot do that. I refuse to do that. I won't do that. I can never do that to my babies.
like, my hair is my baby. Stress cannot be tolerated to my hair. Having Ayurvedic herbs into my regimen has helped me tremendously. I started out in 2016 incorporating henna, alma, and shikakai. Those were the first 3 herbs I've ever used, And now I have widened my range of herbs for Ayurvedic. I am a huge Ayurvedic fan. Another thing that's been helping my hair grow is keeping my ends well intact. The maintenance for my ends, every time I do my hair, whether I'm washing it, I'm gonna do a chunky twist, I'm doing a wash and go, I always dust my ends. If I see a knot, I cut it. If I have a bad tangle, I cut it. If I do it and it doesn't even out, I snip it, no matter what. I don't have a set schedule for that. I just do it whenever I'm doing my hair. I did mention it before for my number one way, but having my hair detangled has helped a lot. Another way too that I've been gaining a lot of hair growth is pre-pooing. And the last thing that is key for me to grow my hair, can we say it? Deep condition.
Deep condition, deep condition, deep condition, deep condition.
And I don't deep condition for 1 hour. I don't deep condition for 2 hours. I do not deep condition for 3 hours. I don't even deep condition for 4 hours. I always sleep in my deep conditioner. This is what works for me. This is what I have been doing for the longest time, especially with my work schedule. I can't just deep condition and rinse out my hair and then be like, okay, I'm gonna style it. No, my hair is like,
whoa, 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 baby, no.
deep condition overnight. It's been working for me. I have no issues with it. As you can see, I have all my hair. I have no bald spots. My hair is thriving. I deep condition overnight. And then I just repeat. You can't just do this, once in a month and think, okay, I'm gonna have bomb hair growth. You have to be consistent. I always tell people, if you're not into that hair care life where you have to be doing your hair on a regular basis, then you're gonna have to find a lazy hair care routine. I am very consistent. I'm very strict with my regimen. I don't ever slack on my hair, and I can deal with myself crying in the shower because my hair is falling out. You have to be consistent. You have to follow ingredients that are for your hair. My ingredients are for my hair because I am high porosity. I have fine hair. It breaks easily. I need protein. I need water. I need moisture. I balance all that out and I incorporate that into my routine. Don't get upset. Don't give up. It took me legit almost 3 years to figure out my regimen. And then once I figure out something, then I stumbled upon other things, and then it led me to other things. And then look at my chapter now. I'm still growing, I'm still learning, I'm still discovering more and more new ingredients. And no matter what, the process of learning and just using that to incorporate into yourself and to promote health, it's so fulfilling to me. So don't discourage yourself. Don't give up. Hair growth is for all. Whether you have 5 inches in 1 year or you can have 2 inches in 1 year. Hair growth is for all. Our hair does not grow the same, but no matter what, take care of your hair the way it's supposed to be taken care of, and you will see growth. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.